Bravo, we're going 240 degrees, 14 knots, clear for takeoff, report 10 out.
Clear for takeoff, report 10 out, 481 Bravo. Wow, this is spectacular. What a gorgeous country. Ah, this is beautiful. Unbelievable. There's the San Carlos Marina, which is the gringo part of the Guaymas area. Off to the left here, I'll kind of point one camera at it. That area there is the marina. We had a great time. We were here 4 days. Just had a wonderful time.
Position?
I'm on the bay of San Carlos.
DME from Guaymas, reach 2 for a good day.
A good day, thank you very much. I was going to fly around the Cape to Guaymas and then head north, okay? Roger, thank you very much. Few little pretty islands. We sailed around these islands, or I should motored around these islands. See on the right.
Altimeter 2980, squad code 1276, taxi via Bravo, back taxi into position 20.
Squawk 1276, and what runway did you say? 20. Roger, 4647 Quebec.
That's our two Dos Amigos getting ready to take off. They let me go up ahead. They're considerably faster than I am, so I'm got a little bit of a head start to fly the bay. It's quite a beautiful place. I don't know how many times I've said it, but I can't say it enough. Look at that beautifully clear water. Well, that was fun. Little flyby. Just leaving the area. I'm going to head directly now. I'm on a straight course towards Hermosillo, and I'll check in later.